everyone, welcome to my channel. The next day, electronic repair tutorial. This is our topic for the day: how to fix Samsung Galaxy Tab S. Model system T705. No power problem. First, we open this. We start prepare. This is the battery of our Samsung Tab. Set your multi-tester to 10 volt DC so we can test the voltage of this battery. I will remove this from the tab. A 2 ampere charger. We will use this for charging the battery. Charging the battery, we will use a USB cord with 2 wires at the end, so we can connect this later to recharge directly the battery. We'll make a opening of each side so we can solder the wire to the USB wire. Let's focus. This red and black wire, we will connect this later USB wire cord. First, we solder the opening. Connect black wire to the black wire battery, that is negative. Then go the red wire. You must solder it properly. This is the USB, so we now connect this to the charger. We will charge it for about 1 hour using a 2 ampere charger. While waiting for about 1 hour, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will check if there is a voltage coming from the charger. That is about 4 volt DC. We'll test it closer. So you will see how many voltage is the charger give to the battery. Using our 10 volt DC range of our tester, the volt is about 4 volt. That's okay. Then after 1 hour, we will remove the charger from the outlet, power outlet, and we will check how many voltage store inside the battery. So we will test. Oh, there's a 4 volt. It's good. The battery is in good condition. Then we remove the wire. So we will fix the battery to the tab. And don't forget to cover with tape to avoid short circuit. You know, battery drain sometimes caused by a short circuit. Then it will drain the battery and not power on. So this is it. I will connect this now and we will try after. Now ready. I will power it on. You know, from the start, the tab doesn't power. Yes, it's power on now. It's working now. I'll try to play some music. volume. Oh, message. Okay. So, that's okay.